All right, everybody, how's it going? It is a beautiful day today. It is 75 degrees and sunny, and it feels good. Thought I'd take the bike out. I gotta run to the pharmacy down the road, pick up something for my daughter. So hopped on the bike and I'm heading out. And on the way back, I may stop by Dollar General. I got to get some batteries for my bike alarm. It takes I've got to have 3 AAA batteries and one 12 volt 27A battery. I don't know if Dollar General has that one. I'm not real familiar with batteries, so I'll have to look at the packages and see. But yeah, I gotta swap those batteries out. Let's see if I can get on the other side of the road. All right. Yeah, me and my wife, we went to the store the other day on our bikes. It was the biggest ride she's done since she had her stroke. She did a good job. She's fine when she gets going. It's just the starting and stopping she loses her balance some, but she's getting better. And basically what I do is I'll get her going, and then I hop on my bike, and if we're getting to somewhere where we have to stop or something, I get on ahead of her, get off my bike, and I'm there when she stops. I don't stop her. I let her stop and get off, and I'm just pretty much there to catch her if she starts to fall. So we'll probably just keep doing that until she gets a little better at it. Now, before the stroke, she was fine riding. She could start and stop by herself. She did good. But it's just ever since that stroke, so. And she couldn't drive for 6 months, and it's been about 6 months since the stroke. So hopefully she'll get her coordination back to 100%, and we can go a lot more places. She was going to come with me today up to the pharmacy, but I guess we just decided not to today, because there's a lot of stopping and turning and starting up, crossing roads. Our trip to the store, it was just there was a couple of places we had to start and stop, but other than that, it was pretty much just a straight ride. No stopping and starting, and so that wasn't too bad. And you can see that video. I've got it up, so if you want to check that one out, just look for "Trip to the Store with Wife," and it's the latest one. It'll be posted right before this one. So we'll turn left right here, and then we've got to cross a busy road. Hopefully it won't be too busy. I came up here earlier to Walmart. There's a car wash in the parking lot. We pay $16 a month for pretty much unlimited car washes. I brought the car up here to get it washed. And it was kind of busy, so hopefully it won't be too busy. I would go into Walmart to get my batteries, but like I said, my bike alarm's not working, and they don't have any place you can lock your bike to up here either. So I don't really want to do that. So hopefully this won't take long crossing this road. And it didn't. So that was good. Oh, just had a bug hit me in the face. That's the car wash we go to right there. Nobody in line. All right, so we're done at the pharmacy. So let's head on back. We'll go by Dollar General, see if they have that battery. I know they'll have AAA batteries, but I don't know about the other battery. Hopefully they do. Hello. So we'll cross this road again, and hopefully it'll be as easy as last time, but I doubt it. Bunch of cars coming. All right, so that wasn't too bad. Oh, that smells good driving by that barbecue place. Never eaten there. I'll have to try it one time. They're playing tennis. Alright, so to get to Dollar General, we gotta get on the other side. I guess. Let's see. Well, let's just go right here. And it's just right down the road here. We'll cross. right here. Alright, so we'll turn the camera off while we go in there. Alright, so they had the AAA battery, but they didn't have the other one. So I guess I'm gonna have to go to, probably I'm thinking either Best Buy or Walmart to see if they have it. So you know, I'll get that, but I'll go ahead and change the battery and the alarm, and I won't worry about changing it in the remote right now, and just see if that works. It might just be the batteries in the alarm that's dead, but I don't know. But yeah, we're heading back to the house. I think I'm gonna call it a video. I hope you enjoyed it. As usual, I'll leave the camera running in case something exciting happens. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.